A terrified tiny dog is scooped safely into a car trunk for rescue. His fear fades as he gets fed and cared for right away. Next day at the vet reveals his health needs attention quickly. 7 days of trust building show amazing progress in this little one. Wrapped warmly, he eagerly drinks milk to help him grow strong. Playful bonding moments turn strangers into a loving best friend forever. Watching them relax together proves their special connection is truly real now.